Greetings to M&A Worldwide. I'm Mike Adams. Late last year, I sent a copy of my new book, 7 Stories Every Salesperson Must Tell, to Craig Elias. Craig is one of the world's prominent B2B sales trainers. Craig recommended the book to his brother Alan, and Alan gave a copy to Doug Robbins, who is the founder of North America's oldest business brokerage, Robbinex. I'm sure many of you know Doug. When Doug and I spoke on a video conference a few weeks ago, the first thing that he said to me was, "Mike, I could have written this book." And what he meant was, "Mike, that's the way I sell." And if there's a secret to selling, it is storytelling, because the very best sellers are storytellers, even if they don't know it. Why don't you join me in Toronto at the next M&A Worldwide for a day deep dive into storytelling. We're going to learn the stories that build rapport, that build your authority, that create credibility, that change the minds past difficult concepts to your buyers and to your sellers, and that help close the deal. You have a truly difficult role. The sellers always want more, the buyers want to pay less. How to use stories to close the deal, to win more business. That's what we're going to learn in a day in Toronto. I hope to see you there.
Hey everybody, it's Mike Weinberg coming to you from Los Angeles International Airport. I want you to know I am so jealous that you get to hear from Mike Adams about storytelling. Everywhere I go, I preach that your sales story, your messaging, and the ability to tell a good story is your absolutely most important critical sales weapon. Nothing will increase your effectiveness better than improving your story and how to tell it, and no one understands that better than Mike Adams. Enjoy his session. He's the expert on this topic.
It's Tony Hughes. I speak all over the world to sales teams and help them create sales pipeline. Do you know the thing that every entrepreneur, business leader and salesperson needs to do is they need to be equipped to tell great, true stories that can engage their customer or audience and really create revenue. One of the best books ever written on this topic is by Mike Adams, The 7 Stories That Every Salesperson Needs to Know How to Tell. I really encourage you to get yourself along and hear Mike Adams speak. There is nobody better on the face of the planet about storytelling and the commercial impact, the positive impact it can have on you and your career and your results.